You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is t equals -13/30. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 13 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the k. Divide both sides by -30. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. And so the final result is t equals -13/30.